Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the Find Look at Rotation node. Let's get started. So here we have our scene, and we have a cube here. Now let's say we wanted our cube to always face our character wherever he moves. So to do that, we go to the cube's blueprint and add a tick event. Now we want to add the Find Look at Rotation node. So the Find Look at Rotation node has two inputs and one output. The start input will be our cube's location, and the target input will be our character's location. So first, let's get our cube's location. Drag the cube into the blueprint, drag out of the pin, and type get world location. Connect it to the start input, and now we want to get our character. So this time type get player character. Then we want to drag out of the return value and type get actor location. Connect it to the target. Now drag out of the cube and type set rotation. Connect it to the event tick and connect the Find Look at Rotation to the new rotation input. Compile and save, and when you go to the viewport and play, you will see that the cube follows the character wherever he goes. So that's how you use Find Look at Rotation. You need to have a start and you need to have a target. You could also change the target to be the player character's camera location. And to do that, you right click and type get camera, and you get player camera manager. Connect it to the actor location, and this time the cube will face the camera instead of the character. And this is useful if you had some text and you wanted the text to always face the camera. So that's how you use Find Look at Rotation. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and be sure to like, share and subscribe. And let's see if we can reach 200 subscribers and 100 likes. See you soon!